is there are numerous PEZ conventions out there. They're held all over the world. Sometimes it takes a little bit of searching. You can ask the various Facebook groups, and they can give you hints and tips on where to find them out. But each convention has a convention package. And this, right here, is one such convention package. All right. Let's see what all is in here. All right, box is empty. Just set it right there. All right, here is my Maryland PEZ Gathering pack. It was held November 2019, this particular one. Let's check out what I have. I gotta go ahead and set her up. Ooh. That's such a cool. All right, here we have our sticker. I'm not sure the name of this guy. I think it's Pezzy. I could be wrong. But that is this was the 4th Maryland PEZ Gathering. Let's see. Oh, only 40 were made of this dispenser. This is 3 of 4. This is dispenser 3 of 4. Wait a minute. Oh, here we go. They have a specialized candy pack and a printed stem to let you know where you got this particular dispenser from. Oh, and this one has the little crab guy on it. That's cool. Very cool. I like their little mascot. And then we got a couple fun flips. All right. And a t-shirt. Still sealed up. I'm actually going to give away this package at my PEZ convention. That's something some of the conventions do, is they swap things back and forth and kind of share and help everyone. If you can't get to all the conventions, well, maybe you can get some of the convention stuff you want at a different convention because of things like this. So yeah, thought I'd share that with you. But check out the Maryland PEZ Gathering. It happens every November. It is annual. So be sure to check them out. Get a cool haul away load like this. So until next time.